How did this happen?
My fault. Can we fly it now, Dad?
Let the wind pick up first.
Hold his leash tight, Leo. I hold it, Mom. Watch me run!
Keep running. Let the string out.
The wind is too strong!
Hold on with both hands.
Oh no! It flew away! Max? What? He was right here!
Whoa, what is happening?
He slipped his leash.
Did he go for the sandwiches?
Leo, look at me. Where did he go? I don't know. Why did you drop it? Huh? I didn't mean to. Be brave, Leo. Let's look.
Accidents happen, Nancy. Teamwork.
But my kite.
Okay, fan out. We will find him. Stick close to me. Let's go in.
Max. Treat time!
Look everywhere, kids. It is dark in there. Max is in there. He is lost forever. No, he is not. We won't stop. I miss him. I can't see anything up there. Stupid trees. We will never find him.
Yes, we will. Patience.
Is he there? Not Max. Leo, don't cry. I will help you. We will find him. Promise? Check behind that rock. Nothing here. He's too fast. Where is he?
Let's check the creek.
I should hold tight. You made a mistake. It is okay. I want Max. He must be here somewhere.
Wait. Nancy, be careful.
Ouch. Dad.
I've got you. Let me see. Deep breath. 1, 2. Got it.
Thank you, Dad.
Rest here.
Wait! Dad! Look down here! That's red! Like my kite!
And a paw print. Good job.
Job! Bark! I hear bark! I hear it too! That way!
Go, go! Through the bushes!
Hurry, Leo! We are close! Max! 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 My kite!
Okay, let's untangle this mess. Hold still.
You did great, Leo. You didn't give up.
We found him!
When we stay together, we can find anything we lost.
Like soup. You lose a carrot, but the spoon finds it.
That makes no sense.
Just nod, Nancy.
Fine together. I am hungry now.
Sandwiches for everyone.
Good job today, Leo.
You too, Nancy.
The wind is perfect now.
Go show us, sweetie.